Let's do it.
Okay, we're here with my man JB. How you doing? JB with Edifier, everybody. Look, Edifier makes great headphones, but most of y'all probably know Edifier for their speakers. Man, they make some outstanding speakers. Today we're going to check some of them out. All right, so what do you got to show us, man?
So we're going to focus on the S3000 Pros, these two bookshelf speakers. We do have a new sound bar with a subwoofer, and there's two little speakers that are just off camera. But yeah, so these are our new Pro series. These are our high-end S series of Edifier. Basically, these things are monsters, right? They are wireless, Bluetooth, and all the connections that you need. And I think they just talk for themselves a lot.
Okay, let's see what you got, man. It's all about sound here. Okay, let's do this.
Just put it up.
Okay, do you have the subwoofer on?
No. The subwoofer is connected to the soundbar, so it's got. These are just the two monitors, man. You're just hearing the two monitors.
I'm feeling the ground move.
Yeah.
All this sound is coming out of.
Yeah.
Okay, y'all can't see this in the camera. Oh my God. But this driver here is breathing. It's just bouncing back and forth.
Yeah.
It's nuts. And it's not even really up that loud.
No, it's not. Yeah.
Like, how many clicks is that? Like 3,
Oh,
4?
it's a bit more, and then I'm connected to Bluetooth at the moment, right?
Okay.
So obviously the sound isn't going to be the absolute best just because I'm streaming from Spotify,
Right.
so it's not like FLAC or like straight CD or turntable.
Okay.
On my phone I'm like 60-70%. So, and then on here maybe 15-20%.
Oh man.
So this goes
sounded
way
really
up.
rich.
Yeah.
And clean.
So you feel the bass, but they're not bass heavy. It's just the driver is so massive. It's 6.5 inches, right? Which is usually these are our first that are above 5.25 inches.
Okay.
So we've added another 1.5 inches basically to the drivers. So that's why you can really feel the movement, and that's why they're banging so loud. But it's still, you don't lose the clarity, you know.
That's just these two.
Just these two, yeah.
Dude, I am loving this. Yeah. It's so clean, and it's really only 4 drivers. You got the tweeters.
Yeah,
okay. Man, let me stand back a little bit.
Yeah, sure.
That is clean. That's clean.
Yeah.
And that's just the 2 shelf speakers.
That's just these two, yeah.
You got these stands right here, which are gorgeous.
Yeah, and it does come with the stands.
Okay,
so that's the thing. It does come with the stands.
So total package with the stands and the speakers. This is gorgeous, man. I probably need to talk to my wife to see if I can put this in my house.
I hope so.
Wife, if you're watching this, wife, we're getting this. Okay.
So these they should be out real soon, and they're $799 with the stands. You get both of them. So this is like we were discussing. This is the master one, right? So all of the components are in here, just being shared across. Yeah, super simple to set up as well. The connection, it's really easy.
So as far as a soundbar system, is a soundbar and a woofer, or is this?
Yeah. So the soundbar is also attached to the woofer, and we have 2 speakers that are here. So right now it's plugged into the TV. So we've got Jurassic Park going on.
So we're not hearing these anymore.
No. Yeah. These are now off. So that's the soundbar.
Okay.
And I mean, it's like proper surround, you know?
Enough said.
So, yeah, so these are our S90 HDs. That's like our home theater system, right? So you get the 2 stationaries, the soundbar, the subwoofer.
What was this model again?
This is the S3000 Pro.
Okay, so I'm getting these. I'm getting the first batch that's released out to the public. Can I just take these?